Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. I want to definitely say hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me. We are also in Milltown, Indiana. Yes, this is Milltown, Indiana. I want to say hello to everybody in Milltown, Indiana. This is CJ the Traveling Man. As you know, we're going to be going to every city, town, and village. Yes, every city, town, and village in the state of Indiana. That's right. Hello, everybody in Indiana. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Definitely saying hello to everyone in Indiana, and also Milltown, Indiana. It's also the home of what? It's the home of the cave country canoes. Yes, one of the best ones. So other than that, like I said, this is gonna be an adventure that y'all ain't never seen before. So I'm just gonna be going everywhere, telling you. I'm gonna show you things on our trips, but the main thing you're gonna see is me stopping at every single welcome sign in the state of Indiana. So other than that, tell your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncle, your aunt, and your mama, and the raccoons and anything you can think of, even the train, if the train is coming. So other than that, I'm about to sign out and head to the next town. This is CJ the Traveling Man. All the information will be in the bottom of the description. Peace.